Welcome to the DJI tutorial series. This video covers DJI O4 Ground Station's installation, activation, and basic operation. Before using DJI O4 Ground Station for the first time, connect a charger to its USB-C port to wake and charge the battery before powering it on. Connect the charger to the USB-C port. When the power indicator lights up, the device is awake. Then press and hold the power button to turn the power on or off. Then press and hold the power button to turn on DJI O4 Ground Station. When first using O4 Ground Station, you must activate the device. Otherwise, the station cannot be used. If it is not activated, the GNSS signal indicator flashes red. Download the DJI Enterprise app. Using the included USB-C to USB-C cable, connect your phone to O4 Ground Station and follow prompts to activate. The three indicators to the right of the power button show battery level, operating mode, and GNSS signal status. Triple press the power button to switch O4 Ground Station's mode. During the switch, all three indicators will flash green simultaneously. The switch is complete when the flashing stops. You can also use the DJI Enterprise app or Assistant 2 to switch station modes. With DJI O4 Ground Station powered on, use the included USB-C to USB-C cable to connect your mobile device running the DJI Enterprise app to O4 Ground Station's port. On the Select Mode screen in the app, select the desired mode and tap OK. When using Assistant 2, click Switch Mode. Select the desired mode on the page to complete the mode switch. In Gateway mode, O4 Ground Station connects via Ethernet or DJI Cellular Dongle 2 to DJI Flight Hub 2, building a low-latency, high-bandwidth remote transmission and control network. Gateway mode on O4 Ground Station enables cloud-based functions. Relay mode pairs with OcuSync for enterprise DJI aircraft and remote controllers. Deployed as an elevated relay node, it overcomes signal obstructions. The DJI Enterprise app only supports Android phones. Please scan the QR code on screen to download. We recommend using DJI Assistant 2 to update the station's firmware. Open DJI Assistant 2 and select DJI O4 Ground Station. Go to the Firmware Update page. Select the latest firmware version and click the Upgrade button next to it to complete the firmware update. Once the update is done, push the rubber cover back into the USB-C port, ensuring a tight seal. You can also use the Flight Hub 2 device management interface to perform firmware updates. DJI O4 Ground Station allows you to use Assistant 2 to export logs for troubleshooting and analysis. Connect the station to a computer. Open Assistant 2, select DJI O4 Ground Station and access the management page. Click Log Export to enter the log page. Check the required logs by timestamp and click Save to Local. In the pop-up window, choose the export folder and click Start Export. Wait for the log export to complete. The logs will be saved in the selected folder. You can also use DJI Flight Hub 2 to upload logs. You can provide these logs to DJI support for troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.